guys, welcome back to Signature Kitchen. I'm Shen from Go Clean. I'm a fitness trainer, CrossFit athlete, and also father of two. So today we have a special guest again.
Again, it's me again. My name is Winnie. So I am a full-time accountant and also gym lover.
I see, gym lover.
Yes.
You must be work out quite a lot, right?
Yes, we work out consistently 2 years.
Today we're gonna do a Mexican dish. We call it as a pulled taco.
Yeah, full lamb.
With kiwi.
Salsa.
Yeah. Why salsa?
Good salsa.
Because salsa.
Chicken.
So for the pulled lamb, we have a lamb shank, carrot, yellow onion, tomato sauce, salt and pepper, bay leaves, serranis, garlic powder, organic ginger powder, the first drawn soy sauce from Signature Market. How about you? You're going to do a kiwi salsa,
Kiwi
right?
salsa, yes. So kiwi salsa, we need kiwi, red onion, yellow bell pepper, tomato, and fresh basil, apple cider vinegar.
So the next thing, which is very important, is our taco. So we are using Signature Market macadamia and also the Brazil nuts. Right, let's start off this pulled taco with salsa. So are you excited for it?
Yes, I'm excited.
Let's season our lamb shank first.
Okay.
So I need a very intense seasoning. So salt and pepper. And meanwhile, hot pan, just drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Make sure very high heat. Put in. You hear the seasoning sound, right? Seasoning. Guys, when you're cooking a lamb, don't move it. Maybe 2 minutes aside. Cool. Bring to the pot.
Okay.
And don't wash your pot yet. Don't wash your pan yet. Just drizzle a little bit of oil. Put in the onion, the carrot, and can you help me to put all the seasoning into it? Yeah.
Okay, sure. So the sunnies and the leaf. What about the taco?
Just go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, can you help me to put in 3 scoops of soy sauce? Very good. And also tomato sauce.
Alright.
Go ahead, just don't worry, go ahead. So also 1 cup of water.
Yeah.
So let's bring this to the pressure cooker, right? So for at least 30 minutes. So next up, can you help me to put everything into the blender?
Okay, everything.
Which is a macadamia from Signature Market and also the Brazil nut.
Okay.
Alright, so you have put everything in?
Yes,
How about
everything
second
in.
cup? Ah, so I see. You don't forget this, yeah. This is a
Yes.
binding agent for the nuts.
So I start to blend.
Guys, if you're having a very hard time for this blend, maybe you have a little bit problem during this process. Don't worry, just bring up and give a little shake. Yeah, and then we pause again.
So you can see this texture is like
Different? Yeah, so much different.
oil because of the nuts.
Yes. Just put in a little bit of water and cook it for 1 minute. So scoop up 1 big dough. So to form a ball shape.
Whoa.
Why wall? So it naturally become a
Yes.
round shape. Okay. Flatten it with your hands or you can use a roll.
So just roll it to round shape.
Put in your hand first, and then pop, slap into the hot pan. Just
Slap.
slap it. Careful your hand. That's right. Much good. Much better.
So we put 3 tablespoons And don't forget put salt and pepper.
Oh wow,
Yes.
almost forgot, yeah?
Yeah.
You see?
So nice. Okay.
Okay, nice now.
Nice.
Okay.
So I just put like this.
Okay, good.
So the color is pretty nice. So my one is ready.
Oh, the kiwi salsa is ready. You see my lamb?
Whoa.
Smells so good. You want to try it?
Of course.
Later. Okay, let me assemble this taco. Right. Easy. Just shred it. Can you see
Whoa.
the tenderness of this lamb shank? Here you go. We have a pretty good pulled lamb taco shell.
It's very nice.
How about yours?
And also salsa.
Alright, cool. There you go. We have a very keto kind of pulled lamb taco with.
And kiwi salsa.
If you like this kind of healthy eating and lifestyle, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is
Signature Market.
Yeah. Right. What is the question for our viewers today?
So today's question is very simple. How many taco we have made throughout the video? And don't forget to comment and leave your answer below.
I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye!